Okay, so I'm at the Chiang Mai train station. It's really hot out these days, so I'm trying to do all my filming like just around sunset. It is crazy hot. I'm getting like 5 minutes sun during the daytime, and it's cooking my skin. So yeah, so this is the best time to film, and I will take you guys on a quick tour here. On the way here, I passed the American Embassy and also one of their the gates to the American Embassy, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to do that in my next video. Oh yeah, I'm going to try to point the camera a little bit towards the sun. I mean, it's super intense, and it's 5:30 for the clock. Looks like there's a departure happening real quick because I've seen a bunch of people hustling in and out of here. So. And we got some of the history here of when the train station was built. I don't know too much of the history about it, but it looks like there's some groundbreaking here. And then some of the departures. Got a bunch of backpackers here. I mean, these guys' packs must weigh like 1,000,000 tons, and I've seen a lot of that here. So you've got some hardcore travelers in and out of the train station right now. One of the kings and this is the boarding area. Like it's going to, it just changed from English to Thai, so I don't know what the train says. No departing trains on this track, so that's pretty much it. Looks like we got an outbound train, and then from the schedules that I was looking at, there doesn't seem to be anything coming inbound, so it's just all outbound right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the train station here. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you posted.